Welcome to Tech 10 YouTube channel. This video is about how to hide or unhide workbooks in Excel. Let me open an Excel sheet to show you how we can hide or unhide workbooks in Excel sheet. This is an Excel sheet with two workbooks in it, which are named as Data 1 and Excel 2. So now if we have to hide Excel 2 workbook, right click on the Excel 2 workbook and choose hide. Now Excel 2 workbook is hidden. Similarly, if we want to unhide already hidden workbooks, then right click on any of the workbooks and choose unhide option. Here it will give the list of workbooks which are already hidden. If you want to unhide Excel 2 workbook, choose Excel 2 and click OK. Now Excel 2 workbook is visible.